Hello children, good morning. Welcome to your environmental class. Children, please take out your environmental book, and those who don't have, please take out your notebook with pencil and eraser. So, open your book, page number 24. Page number 24. So, in our chapter 4, we have learnt about my locality, and here the person who is living is in Himachal Pradesh. No, and there are some questions here asking on means questions are based on Himachal Pradesh about their locality. So, children, let us will discuss the answers. Okay. Be ready with your pencil and eraser. Answer time. Question number 1. A. Name 2 trees found in hilly areas. 2 trees you have to write. Okay. Miss has written apple trees. Next one is fir trees. Okay children. Next number B. Name 2 animals found in hilly areas. So many plants and animals will find in hilly areas. Okay. So, what are the 2 animals? Miss has written mules and ponies. Mules and ponies. So, children, these are the animals. These are the animals which used mostly in hilly area for their means they use as their vehicle to move from one place to another place. Next, number C. Would you like to live on hillside? It is asked you, each and every child, that would you like to live on hillside? If you write yes or no, you have to give the reason also here in number D. So, according to that you have to think and write. So, Miss has written, yes, I would like to live on hillside only in summer season. Only in summer season. So, not throughout the year, but when it is summer season, I would like to live on hillside. Number D. Why? Asking the reason. So, your answer will be because the weather is very pleasant. Can you see the spelling? Pleasant. Very pleasant in summer season. Very pleasant in summer season. So, I would like to live on hillside. Okay. Did you get the point? Okay. Next one is question number 2. Fill in the blanks. What are the words are given here to fill the blanks? Mules, fir, hilly, steep, thick. So children, mules means female donkey. Okay. Fir, plant grow in hilly area. Okay. Hilly, you know. steep. Steep means, have you seen? It is rise or fall. If you go to hill station, if you see the hill, you will find that when you go up to the hill, it is rise, no. Sloping, no. Means not sloping. While you are going up, then it is rise. And when you come down, means fall. Rise and fall. The area should be, the line should be fall, means sloping area. So that is known as steep. Okay, next thick is, you know, no? Thick means not so thin, mota sa, no? So let us fill the blanks. Number A, Himachal Pradesh is a dash area. You know, no? Hilly area. You have to write hilly area. Next, number B, land is steep on hills. So what type of land you will find on hills? Land is steep, means rise and fall, like that. Okay, I say rise hota hai, I say no. Then again it will, when you come down, like this. This is the mountain, no, the shape of the mountain, like this. So rise, when you come down, it is fall, like that. Upar niche, like this. So the land is steep on hills. Okay, children. Next, number C, dash trees are found on hills. Fir, no, in your lesson it is already written. So fir trees are found on hills. Next, number D, animals on mountains have dash coat. Already it is written in your lesson. Animals on mountains have thick coat, because they have to survive there, no, it is very cold, so their animals should have thick coat, and people also use warm clothes, isn't it? Woolen clothes. Next, number E, dash carry people and goods on hills. What is written in your lesson? I have written, mules carry people and goods on hills. Okay, children. So this is about the locality of this Himachal Pradesh. Again, some questions are given here in page number 25. Children, those who have book, please see. Imagine, this is fun time, okay? Not really. Imagine you live in a desert, and what do you find there? Okay, you have to imagine. Okay, so think that you are living in a desert, and question number 1 asking you that what type of house will you have? What type of house will you have? Miss has written, if I live in a desert, I would have a modern desert house made up of glasses, it is written, or made of glasses. So children, that is your choice. Okay, this is because of modern time or due to the development of technology. Today what happened in the desert area also, you can find beautiful house, buildings, flats. Okay, Or you can write, if I live in a desert, I would have a tents. If you go for only summer season only, you cannot make building there, no. So you should use tent. Your choice, children, because this is not really, only you have to imagine. Okay. Next, I would have a tent. Only tent also you can write, or you can write I would have a modern desert house made up of glasses. Okay, children. Next, number B. Which animals will you see in a desert? Which animals will you see in a desert? Means, children, this is not talking only one desert. There are so many deserts in the world. Okay, and you can find many types of plants, animals, birds, isn't it? So many animals you will find. So according to that, Miss has written here what type of animals will you see. Okay, you are imagining. Okay, not really, you are imagining. So you have to write all these things. Please see properly the spelling. Fennec fox. Number 1 is fennec fox. Next, camel. This is normal. Okay, this is common animal. Next one is road runner. Road runner. Armadillo. Armadillo. Next one is meerkat. Meerkat. Desert tortoise. Desert tortoise. Next one is ostrich. Ostrich. Next is oryx. Oryx. Hyena. Hyena. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. So in this way, so many animals you will find. Next one is number C. What type of trees will you see? What type of trees will you see? As you see different types of animals, you can see the different types of plants also, trees also in the desert. So mostly you will find there will be thorny plants. Thorny plants means you can find thorns in the leaves of plants. Mostly cactus. No, so you can find different types of cactus. Children, please see properly the spelling and write. Okay. Hedgehog cactus. Number 1 is hedgehog cactus. Number 2, barrel cactus. Barrel cactus. Ocotillo. Ocotillo. Next one is saguaro cactus. Saguaro cactus. Next one is prickly pear cactus. Prickly pear cactus. Next one is cholla cactus. So whatever animals and plants I have written here, in next video I will show the pictures of such animals and plants. Okay, children. Next, number D. How will you travel in the desert? The common people means mostly people, those who live in the desert, they use camel, no? Camel to travel from one place to another place. So, you have gone for summer vacation, no? Only for summer vacation in the summer season. So, what happened? What will you do? You will take your car, no? Move and come. Because of the technology today's, what happened? In the desert also, you can see the pakka roads, no? So, you can take the cars also, no problem. So, that is your choice. You write as you wish. Miss has written, I will travel by camel. I will travel by camel. Miss has written, I will travel by camel. Children, that is your wish, your choice, what you will write. You can write by car also, no problem. So, Miss has written here because in summer season she is going. So, she likes to go. So, at least once we should travel by camel. How do you feel? No, we should feel better. No? So, I will travel by camel. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye.